friend, it's Maya. We are making a simple chicken meal. This is Kung Pao chicken and it's going to be quick and easy. Let's get started. I'm making the sauce for this, my friend. So I got my measuring spoon here. I like to measure it. I don't know. It's dark soya sauce. I'm going to put some in here because we need this for our chicken. Ooh, yeah, baby. And then I need some Zayozing, I'm sorry, cooking wine. That's what I'm using in here as well. So I need the same 1 teaspoon of this. This is not authentic, right, my friends? And I have these ingredients already here because my daughter loves making Korean food and Chinese food, so she's always experimenting with these things. And so I'm gonna get some sugar because I need about half teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of sugar. And then I need some sesame oil. And I need half a teaspoon as well. Then I need half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna put half a teaspoon of this kosher salt. And then I need half a spoon of cornstarch. So that's it. I'm gonna whisk this together. It's not much of a substance in here, but this will do what we need it to do, right? I'm going to move this out of the way, right? Because that's what's going to season up our chicken, this nice little sauce. Okay, so I'm going to move this because I want this for my vegetables. I'm going to cut this, then I'm going to wash it, okay? I'm going to take off the skin because I don't want the skin on it. So this is chicken thigh I'm using. And as I said, I'm going to cut this, then wash it. And for this recipe, normally we'll take the bone out, but I like the bone in it to give it some flavor, right? And I'm cutting it small in cubes like this, right? I'm going to leave the fat on because you want some flavor. I hope you guys are taking the time to kind of, you know, take it slow, right? Christmas is around the corner and everybody starts to panic around this time of the year because maybe things are not how you wanted it to be. Maybe you're like me, don't have too much money floating around, but you know what? Make yourself happy, my friends, right? Because I always think, you know, there's somebody out there that's worse off than I am. So I should be grateful for what I have. I still have a job. I'm still healthy enough to work, you know. So I have to be grateful. So yeah, I'm cutting up this. Yeah, so I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna cut this up first, and then I'm gonna wash it. Right? So don't think I'm creating like a dirty meal. Make sure your hands are all clean when you make a meal like this, my friends. Ooh. So we're cubing the chicken, right? Maybe like about bite-sized pieces like this. And I'm keeping the bone because I like when the bone is in the chicken. And I want to eat my Kung Pao chicken with some salad. I'm just trying to eat more salads and eat more fruits at nights, right? I'm almost finished this. I should have fast forwarded this, guys, so you guys don't have to watch me cut up chicken. I'm just gonna mix this in, and I'm gonna leave it there for a little bit while I chop up the vegetables, right? Oh yeah, this looks good already. I got some red pepper and orange pepper here. I'm gonna grab a knife, cut off these stems. I'm going to add, I won't use all of the pepper. I'm gonna take some orange pepper and then I'm gonna cut it up big though. Some big chunks. Okay. I'm also gonna put some onion in it, my friends. I like onions on my chicken, and this onion looks like it's drying out. So I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this to the side, grab this, and same ingredients that I add to the chicken, I'm going to make another broth like that. Okay, so 1 tablespoon, I need some dark soy sauce again, but 1 tablespoon this time. And then I need some of the Shiazing wine. I know that I'm pronouncing that wrong, but you'll see it's okay. I'm going to put one of, that's a little bit more that one. That's okay. And then I'm going to put white vinegar. To put 1 tablespoon of sugar in there, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, some sesame oil in here, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil as well. This is 2 tablespoons, and this is just canola oil that I'm using. This is 2 tablespoons, and then I whisk this around like this. I think it's about that time. This pot looks like it's seen better days, my friend, but I promise you that's not rust. I turned down the stove. Cook down. Now the chicken is not fully cooked, right? But I had it cooked for about 10 minutes now. It's kind of frying up itself, so that's what I want, because I want a little bit of color on it. Alright. Still, this is a little bit brown. That's what I want. I want it a little bit fried up. So I'm just gonna whisk this around a little bit, and oh yeah, see all that wonderful juice, right? Yeah, all that wonderful juice. Okay, so grab the clean bowl, and I'm gonna transfer this to the clean bowl. All this wonderful oil they want us to throw away, but I am not going to. I'm going to cook up my vegetables and seasoning in here. If you have any nuts, peanuts, you can throw it on here. Such a good smell. Just a little bit more. I'm going to put this back in here, because we want this thing to cook down a little bit longer. Right, my friend? And remember, I had 2 tablespoons of oil in there, maybe 3 tablespoons, right? So there's enough oil to cook this around. I gotta get all that wonderful juice out. And remember that wonderful sauce that we made? I'm just stirring it up a little bit, and I'm going to add it to this. Right? And remember, I already had 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of oil already in here, so there's lots and lots of juice. So I'm just going to scrape out all that wonderfulness. I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer a little bit. Right? I'm going to put a little bit of water in there, because remember, I did not add any chicken broth to it. Right? I'm going to add a chicken bouillon cube in there. And this is done, my friends. And this is it, my friends. This is a Kung Pao chicken, all nicely done. It tastes so, so good, my friends. I'm just going to show you my plate. I paired it with some blackened beans that I've made, and then a little bit of leftover salad from the Asian salad from that salad kit. Yeah, we had a little bit of leftover, so I paired it with that. And then, of course, my Kung Pao chicken. This is a wonderful meal. Not too much starches on it. I did get some potato salad though, but I don't think I'm going to eat that with it. But that's it, my friends. Try Kung Pao chicken, my friends, and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. You'll see me in the next video.